Hi guys, I'm Mr. Right. Today I would like to show you a money making method. It is HoneyGay, and with it you can make money automatically. Okay, uh, let's check this step-by-step tutorial. And with HoneyGay, you just need to download and install it, and you don't need to do anything else, and you will make money by selling your internet bandwidth. And the HoneyGay network is used by the researchers from e-coms, advertising, and some web companies. And these are companies extract insights from the web using HoneyGay to make the market research, brand protection, and some other things like SEO. First of all, you can sign up here, mrrightcoach.com, HoneyGay. And after you sign up, and you will get $5, and you can start earning in 3 steps. The first step is download the software. The second step is install, and the third step is just log in. And you can install HoneyGay into your computer. If your computer is Windows version, you can download it here and just install it. Next, and install, and you can sign up and log in it. When it's ready, it looks like this, and you said about 16 MB, and you earned 18.27. And you also can install HoneyGay on the Mac OS, and you just need to search the HoneyGay, this name, in the App Store. And if you use iPhone, and you also can search HoneyGay in the iOS App Store, and it is similar. Okay, and if your phone is Android system, and you can download the app directly here, because this app is not in Google Play, and you need to download it directly and install in your Android phone. And what to do after installing HoneyGay? It is very easy. You just need to make sure that your device is connected to the internet, and the application is open, so that you will make money by selling internet bandwidth.